Red wine looks simple. A glass of deep color, a swirl of aromas, a symbol of culture, celebration, and craftsmanship. But behind every bottle lies a world of agriculture, chemistry, engineering, and centuries-old tradition, a system so refined that it has become one of the most iconic food industries on Earth. The journey begins in the vineyard. Across France, Spain, Italy, Chile, Argentina, and California, grapevines stretch across hillsides shaped by climate, soil, altitude, and sunlight. This environment, known as terroir, defines the chemistry of the grapes and the personality of the wine. Cool climates produce grapes with higher acidity. Warm climates create riper fruit with more sugar and fuller body. Location. Harvesting, or vendimia, is the moment of truth. Grapes must be picked at the perfect balance of sugar, acidity, and tannins. Manual harvest allows careful selection of clusters, ideal for premium wines. Mechanical harvest is faster and used for large-scale production. If harvested too early, the wine becomes thin and acidic. Too late, and it becomes heavy, alcoholic, and loses freshness. Once harvested, grapes arrive at the winery. They are weighed, inspected, and often sorted by hand on selection tables to remove leaves, damaged berries, or underripe clusters. This step ensures only the best fruit continues the journey. Next comes de-stemming and crushing. De-stemming removes the stems, which can add harsh vegetal flavors. Crushing gently breaks the berries, releasing juice without damaging the seeds, which would add bitterness. The result is a mixture of juice, skins, and pulp called must. Then begins one of the most important stages, maceration and fermentation. The must is placed in stainless steel tanks, concrete vats, or oak fermenters. Here, skins stay in contact with the juice, extracting color, tannins, and aromas. Simultaneously, natural or selected yeasts transform sugar into alcohol. Temperature control is essential. Too hot, and aromas are lost. Too cold, and fermentation stalls. This is where red wine gets its structure, color, and complexity. Maceration. During fermentation, carbon dioxide pushes grape skins upward, forming a cap. Winemakers perform punch-downs or pump-overs to submerge the cap and extract more flavor. Every decision here shapes the wine's personality. Once fermentation ends, the wine is separated from the skins. The remaining solids are pressed to extract additional wine. Press wine is more tannic and is often blended carefully with free-run wine. Now, the wine enters the stage that defines its soul, aging. Some wines age in stainless steel to preserve freshness. Others mature in oak barrels, French, American, or Hungarian, which add aromas of vanilla, spice, toast, and structure. Aging can last months or years. During this time, tannins soften, flavors integrate, and complexity grows. This slow transformation is what elevates simple fermented juice into fine wine. Wine aging. After aging, the wine is clarified, filtered, and prepared for bottling. Bottling lines fill each bottle with millimeter precision. Corks or screw caps seal the wine. Labels reveal grape variety, region, vintage, and sometimes certifications like DOC, AOC, or DO. Then the global journey begins. Bottles travel in temperature-controlled trucks to distributors, restaurants, and shops. Cargo ships carry containers across oceans. Wine reaches consumers in Paris, New York, Tokyo, Buenos Aires, and Sydney. Behind the scenes, the red wine industry is a global economic engine. It shapes rural economies, tourism, land use, and international trade. It connects farmers, winemakers, laboratories, exporters, sommeliers, and millions of consumers. And then comes the science, the part most people never think about. Red wine is alive. Even inside the bottle, it evolves. Tannins polymerize. Aromas develop. Color changes. Time transforms the liquid into something deeper, richer, more complex. Finally, the wine reaches the consumer. A dinner table in Madrid, a tasting room in Napa, a bistro in Paris, a celebration anywhere in the world. The journey is complete, from vine to grape, from must to wine, from barrel to bottle, from the vineyard to the world. But behind every sip, there is a system built on agriculture, chemistry, engineering, and tradition. A system that has turned red wine into one of humanity's most celebrated creations. Because red wine is not just made. It's crafted. It's engineered. It's aged. It's protected. It's a story of science and culture woven together. And every glass carries that story.